my name is Sammy, and today I'm going to be telling you the story of when I visited Rome all on my own. So pretty much the story starts out with me leaving my hotel. My first official whole day in Rome, I went down and asked the nice front desk guy about what the best way of getting to the bus station was. He told me, oh, it's like here, literally around the block, and he has me a paper map. No idea how to get there. I've been given this map and it's just not been helpful. By the way, if you're ever traveling Rome on your own, I'd say just use Google Maps because that worked out so much better.
I think I made it.
This is actually super pretty. Look at the bridge I'm about to cross. So I got on the train and I made it all the way over to Piazza di Popolo. I don't know if this is where I'm meant to be, but either way I like it.
Piazza del Popolo.
I made it! And I was told if you start at the Piazza di Popolo, it's a really nice walk over to see all of the big attractions in Rome. The first thing that I saw right away was all the food options, and I wanted to eat everything I saw. I picked a place to have lunch because I was starving, and who can say no to pasta, and it was delicious. One of the things that you have to know is there are a lot of piazzas, and that's like, basically they're plazas that have like really nice buildings and have something to look at. I went in the middle of the day and the Trevi Fountain was packed with people. Like there were just people everywhere. I kept exploring all kinds of random places and just following Google Maps everywhere. I found that my favorite places were like walking down random streets or places that weren't crowded with tourists. I ran into all kinds of different places and even found like a random bookstore where everything was in Italian, so I couldn't read anything. The other thing I didn't plan on was how hot it would be. The heat is insane. I was sweating the entire time, getting water anywhere I could. The sun was beating down, I didn't have sunblock, and it was just hot. So my actual goal for this whole little trip was to see the Colosseum. I'm now 11 minutes away from the Colosseum and I'm exhausted. Like, it's only 11 minutes away, but I've been sitting here at this bench for like 20 minutes just taking a break. Now traveling on your own is kind of a different experience, but one of my favorite parts about it is that you can literally stop anywhere you want for as long as you want. And if you don't want to stop somewhere, you don't have to. That's the beauty of traveling on your own. So I kept walking. I think in total I walked for about like 6 hours everywhere because I kept stopping at places, getting distracted, wanting to see things. And eventually I made it over to the Colosseum. Guys, this looks so cool. I literally, gosh, I wish that I could just somehow bring everyone with me and just show you what this looks like. Seeing the Colosseum was insane.
God.
It is humongous and it is old and it is huge. That place is amazing. You have to go see if you're ever in Rome. So just kidding, I'm not actually gonna go inside the Colosseum. Apparently you have to get tickets to go into the Colosseum, and by that point I was so exhausted, so hot, so tired of walking that I just decided to catch a bus to go home, which around like the 6 o'clock time zone I guess is really super packed. This bus is so cramped. Literally just like touching everyone on all sides of you. That's how cramped it was. So that was my Rome solo trip. If you guys ever get the chance to travel to Rome, do it. Travel anywhere because the things that you'll see are just amazing and indescribable. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys have any questions about visiting Rome, please let me know in the comments below. Make sure that you hit the subscribe button because I'm gonna be going over to Bulgaria next and you guys will get to see how that goes. Bye!